Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to set up portable hotspot in your Vivo Y20. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Vivo Y20 and you might be decide or you want to share internet connection from your phone to your friends and family. That we all know that's saying portable hotspot, but you might be don't know how to enable portable hotspot in your Vivo Y20. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. To go in your device settings section and then to click here other network and connection. When you click there, you're going to find here something portable hotspot. Now if you want to turn on portable hotspot, you can easily turn this on, but before that you might be know what is the password or what is the name. So in order to do that, you can see here something say hotspot configuration. Here you can easily choose any name that if you prefer to give, let's say your friends and family connect with this name, and if you want to change the password, you can easily type the preferred password you want. And after that, you can easily click here done. You can see now I had set up the name and password. Now if you want to enable portable hotspot, you can easily turn this on, and from now your friends and family easily get internet connection from your phone. You can see also there's going to be appear a this icon which means portable hotspot. Also if you want to turn this portable hotspot, you can go again here setting and click here other network portable hotspot. You can easily turn this off. So this is how you can easily set up portable hotspot and turn on or off. Also there is another way you can easily turn on or off portable hotspot. For that you can easily swipe down just like this, and then you're going to see a screen going to reappear just like this. You have to just simply swipe right, and then you're going to find here something say portable hotspot. You can easily turn this portable hotspot, and from now your friends and family, they can get Wi-Fi from your phone. If you decide to turn this off, you can easily go over there, and again you can easily click this portable hotspot, and that's going to be off. So this is how you can easily turn on or turn off or set up portable hotspot in your Vivo Y20. So that's one now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.